Hello, welcome. Today I have to share with you a perfect movement, a perfect exercise to increase circulation as well as strength in your upper body, your traps, into your pectorals, and even in your triceps. This is the bent knee push-up. So it's just a modified push-up. From an all-fours position on the ground, you just push your hips forward, allowing your knees to slide back slightly, hands directly under your shoulders. Allow yourself to sink down to the floor. Push up with an exhale. Keep the elbows tight to the sides throughout the whole movement. Push up with an exhale. Keep the core tight so that your body stays in a nice line. Keep the head in line, not with the chin down or the chin way up, just right in line so that your nose goes down to touch the ground before you press back up. If you can only go halfway down, that's fine. Build there and keep challenging yourself to go a little deeper. Do reps in sets of 10 to 15. If you want further modification, you can bring yourself up so that your butt is up and you're on an all-fours plane, and then just lower your forehead down. Again, keeping the elbows pinched in tight. Great movement to really build the upper body strength all the way from the arms into the shoulders and the pectorals. Make sure you keep the core tight, and you will improve the circulation and strength of your upper body with just a little bit of time and effort put into it.